Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
Hi guys. My name is Lacostawhitehead and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be unboxing a camera, you guys. Yes, I finally got me a camera. So if you want to see what camera I already got, it's probably already in the thumbnail. But anywho, just keep watching, okay? Okay. All right, you guys. So we are about to get into the unboxing of my new camera. So what do I have, you guys? I have the Canon Eos M50. I have seen this on some small YouTubers channels. Gabrielle Ashell, you guys, go check her channel out. She does all type of things, but she is a transitioning natural. So if you know somebody who is transitioning, or if you just want to go check out her personality, head over her way and check her out. I will have her link below. But the person who influenced me to get this camera was Catherine Manning, formerly known as the Content Bug, you guys. She has a YouTube channel that has skyrocketed. She gives you tips and tricks on basically how to do YouTube, how to, the algorithm, equipment. She goes over, like what she makes on YouTube. She goes over her analytics, everything. I love her channel. So if you are into YouTube, and she's fun to watch. She's fun to watch. So if you are into YouTube and you need that type of, content, go look her up. Go check her out. I will leave her link below as well. But this is what I got, you guys. This is what I got. I also got a mic too, you guys. So the Rode Mini mic. She also recommended this mic as well. So I got this. And then I have just a memory card. So yeah, let's get into unboxing this camera. So what is in the box, you guys? A little backstory. This is a birthday gift. My birthday is September the 10th, so I don't know if this video is going to actually go out on my birthday, which is a Thursday, or it's going to go out on that Friday, which is September the 11th. But either way, I got this as a birthday gift from my parents. They got me this camera, and I am so excited. I didn't have to buy anything out of my pocket. So yeah, so of course you have the, I think this is the neck candles. You put it around your neck, I guess. So yeah, you guys, I am not a camera person. I just felt like I needed a little, a bit more quality. So this is why I bought a camera. This is the battery, you guys. This is the battery. I think this may be the lens. It is. Okay, so it's a 15 by 45. 15 by 45, you guys. This is the part that screws into the camera. And this is the lens. We have the battery pack. So the battery goes into here. Click, clack. Click, clack. We're going to go ahead and put that up right quick. It is yellow. And this is the camera. You guys, I'm so excited. So yeah, look at it, you guys. It flips. I'm gonna be able to see myself. So So yeah. So let's see about putting the lens on. So of course, you guys, it just okay. It just unscrews and it has like the little gold parts. It has gold parts on here, so those match up together. Okay. So we are ready to go. This is where you put it says HDMI, you guys. I'm not a camera person, so I'm just pretty much unboxing. This is the mic. This is where you put the mic. As you can see, I do have a mic, so I'm gonna leave that open. All right, so this is where we put the battery at, you guys, in the bottom of the camera, and it looks like the SD card goes in that little compartment too. So yeah, this is it, y'all. The Canon Eos M50. I have been looking everywhere for this camera. They actually sell this camera on Amazon. They sell it on a few websites. I got mine from the Canon website. I am just funny about Amazon with certain stuff. Don't get me wrong, Amazon is the GOAT, but there are people who sell on Amazon who are just, I don't know, like I see reviews and people be getting products that they don't order, and I just didn't, this costs too much for me to be playing around. So I just got it from the Canon website. Every time I look, like sporadically, they're either in stock or they're not in stock. So like one day I looked and they were not in stock, and literally like the next day they were in stock. So yeah, it's lucky, guys. Look, this right here is a popular camera, okay? And it's fairly small. My hands are little, so it works for me. It works for me. And I heard it's a good blogging camera, so I can't wait. So let's go ahead and pull the mic out. So we're gonna unbox that. Now I bought this on my own. I bought the mic on my own. I bought it from Best Buy. I think it was like $60. So yeah, I'm just, at this point, I'm just winging it. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Oh, okay. Let me show y'all, because I had no idea what I was doing. Okay, so there is a black piece on top of here, you guys, for the microphone. And what you do is you just slide that part out. It comes out, and that is where the microphone goes into. For those of us who are camera illiterate, okay? Okay. All right, so then I'm just gonna slide that onto the front. We're gonna go ahead and twist that on there. Am I looking a little professional, you guys? Am I looking a little professional? So you have the little input that you put into the back of the camera and that you plug into the mic part. I am going to go ahead and open up this part because it is hard to turn with the mic in there. So I did a little bit of research, okay? All right, so I think you can just plug it in either way. Either way is fine, I guess. Guess not. All right, so we got our SD card. We're gonna go ahead and throw that in there. So it clicks into there. Click, clack, you guys. We're about to cut her on. we're gonna go ahead and set up. Alright, you guys. I got both of my cameras going. So I want you guys to tell me. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know. I may put them side by side. I don't know which one I'm gonna put. But this camera, like I can see myself. Yay! I'm so happy, guys. I just need to figure out how to work it. I think it has like Wi-Fi, so I can bring my video stuff from my camera to my phone, so I can edit on my iMovie on my phone. So I can't wait. I got my little booklet here, and we about to get into this booklet, okay? Because yeah, it's a lot. But I want to set up. I have not set up any of my what is it? I have not done any of my settings. I'm hoping that you can hear. I'm hoping that you can hear the video. I'm not really doing anything with the microphone. I have not set that up either. So yeah, you guys, I'm so happy. I can see myself. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here, give you guys a little demonstration. Stop, Casey. Give you guys a little demonstration and unbox my camera. I may come back maybe in like a month or two and let you guys know if I'm still loving this camera, what's going on, and so on and so forth. If you have not done so, you guys, hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay. Leave me a comment below, you guys. Do you use a camera? Do you use your phone? What are you using to record your YouTube videos on? Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. Also, give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, I'll house you guys later. Peace out.
Ryan Little.